Hey there. Ever feel like the world doesn't appreciate you? What if you're the one not appreciating you? Yep. Today we're diving into 7 sneaky ways you might be disrespecting yourself and how to flip the script. Let's go. 1. Silencing your own needs. Picture this. Your friend wants Thai food again. You hate Thai food. But you say, "Sure, sounds great." Sound familiar? Every time you swallow your needs to keep peace, you teach your brain, my feelings don't matter. Spoiler, they do, even about pad thai. 2. Negative self-talk. Ever drop your coffee and mutter, classic me, always a mess? Ouch. Holding yourself accountable is good, but if your inner voice sounds like a grumpy drill sergeant, you're not building discipline. You're crushing your spark. Try. Whoops, let's clean this up. Progress is greater than perfection. 3. Choosing toxic people. We've all gotten that friend who's a bit meh. The one who jokes right about your job, your hobbies, your face. Hanging with them? That's not loyalty, it's self-abandonment. You deserve people who light you up, not blow out your candle. 4. Comparison trap. Scrolling Instagram. They're engaged, promoted, on a beach, and I'm here with laundry. But comparing your behind the scenes to someone's highlight reel is like judging a fish for not climbing trees. You're not behind. You're on your own path, messy laundry included. 5. Ruminating on mistakes. Remember that time you sent a text to the wrong person? Yeah, they probably don't. But if you're still cringing 3 years later, you're letting one oops define you. Mistakes are lessons, not life sentences. Unless you texted, I love you to your boss, then maybe cringe a little. 6. Comfort zone quicksand. Staying in your comfort zone is like rewatching the same TV show forever. Safe? Sure. But growth happens when you click play on something new. That job you're scared to apply for? That hobby you're too old to start? The risk of regret is scarier than the risk of trying. 7. Unhealthy habits. Poor sleep, endless junk food, doom scrolling till 3 a.m. We've all been there. But when treat yourself becomes destroy yourself, it's not self-care, it's self-sabotage. Small swaps matter. Trade TikTok marathons for a 10-minute walk. Your future self will high-five you. Disrespecting yourself isn't always loud. It's the quiet choices that whisper, you're not worth it. But guess what? You are. Start small. Speak up about the Thai food. Swap one bad habit. Forgive that cringy text. You're not just worthy of respect. You're in charge of it. Thanks for watching. Now go be your own hero. You deserve the love you give others. Subscribe for more.